Parents everywhere wonder why reminders, warnings, and punishments do not turn into responsibility, and that frustration quietly grows every single day. This video reveals a simple Japanese-inspired habit that takes only 5 seconds, yet reshapes how children think, act, and take ownership, giving you a practical tool you can use immediately. Modern parenting happens under pressure, where time is short, attention is scattered, and children are surrounded by screens that reduce patience and effort. Responsibility matters more than ever because children must learn self-control, follow through, and internal motivation in a fast-moving world that will not slow down for them. The idea begins with understanding that responsibility does not grow from lectures but from repeated micro-moments where a child feels trusted. Many parents correct instantly, fix messes quickly, or remind endlessly, which unintentionally trains the brain to wait for rescue. The Japanese 5-second trick starts by pausing before stepping in, giving the child a brief space to notice, decide, and act. When a toy is left on the floor, instead of reacting, the parent silently counts to 5, allowing the child's awareness to activate. Often the child notices and corrects the behavior independently, which strengthens accountability pathways in the brain. At first, this pause seems small and almost meaningless, but psychologically it signals respect. Children interpret the pause as trust, rather than neglect. Their brains receive a message that they are capable of noticing and fixing situations themselves. Over time, this builds self-monitoring, a key executive function skill linked to responsibility and independence. Parents can apply this pause before reminding about homework, manners, or daily routines, letting the child experience ownership instead of pressure. As this habit continues, the next layer is shifting from control to cueing. After the 5-second pause, if the child does not act, the parent offers a neutral observation rather than a command. Saying the shoes are still by the door, instead of pick up your shoes, invites the brain to solve rather than obey. This mirrors how Japanese classrooms encourage students to maintain shared spaces without orders, relying on collective awareness. Children learn that responsibility is a natural response to noticing needs, not a reaction to authority. With consistency, children begin anticipating responsibility before prompts appear. Their brains start scanning environments automatically, asking what needs to be done next. This reduces power struggles because the parent is no longer the enforcer, but the guide. Emotional safety increases, and children feel respected instead of controlled. The pause combined with neutral language teaches delayed gratification and decision-making, both essential life skills that extend beyond childhood. Another important aspect of this method is patience from the adult, because growth does not appear instantly. Many parents quit when children do not respond the first few times. In Japanese culture, repetition is valued over quick results, and children are trusted to grow through routine exposure. When parents stay calm and consistent, the child's nervous system remains regulated, making learning possible. Responsibility cannot develop under fear, but it thrives under predictable, respectful guidance. As children internalize this habit, they begin applying it beyond chores or routines. They start pausing before interrupting, before reacting emotionally, and before giving up on a task. This internal pause becomes a mental skill that supports problem-solving and resilience. Parents often notice fewer reminders are needed because the child now initiates actions independently. This shift reduces daily stress for the entire household and builds mutual respect between parent and child. The most powerful transformation happens when parents apply the same 5-second pause to emotions. When a child reacts emotionally, parents often rush to correct behavior or dismiss feelings. Pausing before responding allows the child to process emotions internally. After the pause, reflecting the emotion calmly helps the child link feeling with responsibility. Over time, children learn to regulate themselves instead of depending on external control, which is the highest form of responsibility. This simple habit works because the brain needs space to grow autonomy. Neuroscience shows that repeated self-initiated actions strengthen neural circuits related to planning and self-regulation. The 5-second trick creates that space daily without confrontation or punishment. It respects the child while shaping behavior gently and effectively. Responsibility is not taught through force, but through trust repeated consistently. Today, choose one moment to pause before reminding or correcting and watch how your child responds. If this video helped you see parenting differently, like the video, subscribe for more practical guidance, share it with another parent, and comment on the change you noticed first.